The living kitchen area at flat 217 Parsonage Road. Just going to show all of this. We've got a crack in the ceiling there, going across. It's discoloration around that smoke alarm, and then into this window bay here. There's a few marks and scratches on the paintwork, so we probably need to refresh that. Furniture looks in reasonable condition, and then as we go through into the kitchen here, we've got this. Looks like it's come from a tumble dryer. And you've got that vent up there. Not sure what that is, what it leads to, but obviously this needs to be resolved. Again, the paintwork over here is in need of attention. I've got this at the back. This is gone, so that's rotten to the point where it's probably going to need to be replaced. There's obviously this on the back of the sink, and I can't see much because of the but yeah, I'd say that the counter wants to be swapped out there. Cupboards have been left quite clean. This is obviously going to need to be deep cleaned. There's some reparations to do around that switch, and then the double oven. Yeah, the double oven's in need of a clean. As is this on the bottom. You can see on the glass here, it's in quite poor condition. And again, inside all of these. So filters and whatnot need to be sorted. We could probably do with boxing in the pipe work underneath here. If this is getting replaced, you see that veneer on the side, do it the same side. The floor's in pretty reasonable condition. The last thing that I want to do is look inside that fridge. So none of the freezer drawers are present. The freezer needs to be defrosted, obviously. The fridge drawer inside there's been cracked, or is cracked, and the rest of it's in need of a deep clean. That's cracked there at the top as well, and that at the bottom. Yeah, so yeah, the fridge isn't in the best order.
Yeah?